Quite often we'll show a client a home that they'd like to buy. They love the home, but they find that it needs some upgrading so that it's to their taste aesthetically, or perhaps it needs some repairs. The next question they have is, how can they afford to buy this home and do their renovations or repairs? Olivia is going to explain how.
Purchase Plus improvements would be the opportunity for clients to talk to their bank or mortgage advisor about how to purchase a home and then add the cost of any renovations they need to the price. So for example, if you bought a home for $800,000 and you need to fix the roof, and it's going to cost you $10,000. Normally you would just borrow up to 80% of that $800,000. Now with Purchase Plus improvements, you can borrow up to 80% of the future value of your home once those renovations are complete. Talk to your mortgage advisor or your lender about further options.